Yo, welcome back to another YouTube video. You know, Jesse G Vlogs back at it in the house. Today we're gonna be asking couples to swap phones, right?
I was like, oh, say less.
But before we get right into the video, I do wanna say I appreciate the insane support you guys have been showing on my videos and on my social media. Like, I wouldn't be doing what I'm doing right now and where I'm at if it wasn't for y'all. Life has been crazy. It's about to get crazier. 2025 is our year. Jesse G Vlogs taking over the YouTube platform, you know what I'm saying? Crazy trips.
For sure.
You know the vibe. We was looking for the food court, but today on Jesse G Vlogs, we're gonna be eating coochie, baby. Coochie on the menu, let's go! I don't know if y'all can see this, but yo, hold on. Try and get it, bro. I know how to make a move,
Hey, baby girl. Hey, baby girl. Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Today we're gonna be interviewing couples, they're gonna be swapping phones, about to be crazy, so... Hoy estamos con... ¿Su nombre?
Kendall.
So we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna take 5 minutes on the timer. I got the timer right here on my phone, about to be crazy. So...
Okay, what's up?
Lo que ella quiera o lo que usted le diga, las aplicaciones. Alright, 5 minutes, about to be crazy. Yo, right here, she's having fun. Ella está teniendo el mejor tiempo de su vida. Yo, aquí está el verdadero chisme. Crazy, you're just looking at all the what's. Yo, it's crazy, bro. Bro, she wildin', bro. They crazy. ¿Cómo se siente? ¿Nervioso o no nervioso?
Sí, nervioso.
He nervous. He going crazy, bro. So WhatsApp is clear. He good on WhatsApp. She going to the Facebook, bro. He gonna slide in the DMs, yo. He nervous. He gotta peep at the phone. Oh, he said he about to snatch the phone. Como usted quiera. Yo no estoy en control. You see? He wanna take it. It's crazy. Yo, she checking the DMs, yo, that's crazy. Hold on. Yeah, that's it. He wants to get his phone snatched. He got something in there. Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Damn!
Yo, that's crazy. He passed the test. Pasó la prueba. Ahora toca la segunda. He got second. He going to WhatsApp. Yo, this is crazy. So, all right. So he got 5 minutes on the timer. About to be crazy. Yo, you come around here, bro. Yo, he going through the messages. Look at that. He going crazy. He's scrolling, bro. They wildin', bro. Yo, get her face. She nervous, bro. She tweaking. Woo. Yo, ¿cómo se siente? How do you feel?
No, soy tranquila.
She said she relaxed, that she's huffing and puffing like freaking the 3 little pigs, bro. Woo, she's sweating, bro. She wiping sweat off her face. Yo, and this is just one couple, yo. Stay tuned for the rest of the video because it's about to be crazy. ¿Cómo se siente? ¿Está feliz de revisar?
Estamos viendo, a ver qué sale aquí.
He said he's looking to see if anything pops up, you know what I'm saying? Anything is possible, unfortunately, nowadays. Okay, so that's the first couple done. Now we gonna see if we can get any more couples. I don't know how long this video is truly gonna be, but my boy's gonna be interviewing the next couple, so let's get right to it.
Bro, I'm letting them check everything.
Everything?
Everything in the books we checking.
Yo, so we've been asking, yo. He asking right now. So the 3 couples we have asked, yo, can they shut up? Yo, shut up. Thank you. That's so crazy. Now, oh, it's a Black History. It's a Black History Month event, bro. Oh. Today we're here with
Melissa, Ashley.
all right, and y'all gonna have 3 minutes each to swap phones. So who's gonna give it to who first? All right, don't look through it. You'll look first. Yeah.
What am I trying to look for?
I don't know. That's up to you. You have freedom of her phone now for 3 minutes.
Search that phone, girl. Look for anything.
Okay.
Yeah, nah, they locked in for life, though. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, she don't even think about it twice to see what they looking for. Nah, that's locked in. What are you looking for?
I don't know. I just took a picture on Snap of myself.
That's fire. I mean, is there anything
My
specific?
password is literally her birthday. So.
And what's your birthday?
No, don't. No, I'm sorry. It's my password. Oh yeah. Why did I say that out loud?
We have people that are stupid.
Yo, I'll cut that out. So there's nothing you want to look at?
think I need to look at.
She talking to someone else, nothing? Never crosses your mind?
Huh?
What'd you say? What'd you say?
Look at the Instagram DMs.
DMs,
Oh my God.
recently deleted text messages, pictures. That's where it's at. Deleted notes, voice memos. I'll be thinking this through, bro.
I can't erase nothing.
What have you guys been through?
A lot.
Why are you crying?
It's about like 3 minutes now. Hold on, I'll give you 30 more seconds.
That could be.
I'm not gonna look at it, but you could look at it. I can't look. Private stuff in there. We keep our people the confidential information. Y'all got what I'm saying? Yeah, confidentiality. There you go. So you done? That's it? Did you find anything interesting or something new?
No, not really.
Yeah, they locked in. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Wish it was me, guys. Okay, you're next.
All right. What do I look at first?
That was in the
Do you
chat.
ever text Jayla back? Nope.
Damn, that's crazy. I don't know who Shayla is, but I miss Shayla too.
Oh my God. Oh my God. My Shayla.
Actually, like, I had a dream she cheated on me with Jayla, but like, that's why I'm like,
All right, you going through messages, attachments, Snapchat?
already let me go through.
Oh, before y'all pulled up, right? So y'all locked in like that?
So look, I ain't gonna lie. Before we even started this video, we was recording them, and they was erasing stuff. So I don't really trust them because he was erasing everything. What's your name though, bro?
Ayush.
What's your name?
Ayush.
What's your
Michelle.
name? Michelle. Well, it was nice to meet y'all, but today we doing, y'all gonna switch phones. Let's see how loyal y'all is to each other. Somebody look like they stressing right now.
He's gonna look at it first?
Nah, yeah, you go first. Cause you, yeah, let me see that. Look. Search your name up. Search your name up in the bar. Got her.
Got him! Got him!
Search your name up. Don't be afraid, bro. This is your chance. You only got this one chance in a lifetime.
My name.
Yeah, your name. You search up her name?
Told me to.
Oh my God. Just read everything. Oh, wait. I got a good one for you. Wait, you got a group chat with the girls? Oh, yeah, search that group chat. Search that group chat, boy. We got him. Search that group chat. Oh. Oh.
Not the pages closed. Don't be mad.
I was in this.
Nah. Stop scrolling so fast. Read.
If they say dirt on your name or something.
Nah, it's all clean.
It's all clean.
Yeah.
You just nervous to find something, right? You want her to be here forever, that's why?
Nah, bro, I know. I know it's not.
Why you looking at him like that?
Because there's nothing to be afraid of.
That's what they all say.
Feel her heartbeat. She's
I don't even know
shaking.
where to go, to be honest.
And I know there's something because she right here, she said, She knew they was sending that group chat. Oh, hold up. Okay. Ooh, who this right here?
I know. He's on board.
He was with me when I was texting him.
Why them hearts though? What you mean, Why she double tap that? Happy birthday, King?
That's his name.
You good, my boy.
I'll do the same thing. I'll go
Yeah,
to
do the
text
same
and
thing. You got a group chat with the guys?
I mean, I do, yeah.
Yeah, because we be talking about everything in there.
see. Oh, the ring.
Yeah.
Oh, we messed something up? Damn.
I mean, he doesn't have Insta.
You don't have
It's like-
Instagram?
Nah,
How old are you?
I'm 19.
And how old are you?
Also 19.
How the f you don't have Instagram, bro? But you got Snapchat?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, where's Snap?
It's in here.
Check his Safari and search with the letter P.
Yo, that's
That's crazy.
Oh, who wifey?
That's me.
He really trying to mess him up like that.
That's crazy.
Oh. Okay.
I'm not really on Snapchat.
Ooh, girl. Girl. Check that right there, girl.
Camille?
You know
Mm-hmm.
who that is?
No.
Oh.
Who's Camille? Camille?
I'll tell you later.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Tell you later?
In the car.
That was like before we met even. 8 weeks ago? When did
But
we
you gonna let that slide?
Yeah, he's allowed to talk to people before we met.
Okay. She a real one. It's okay.
This is probably why we single, bro.
Yeah, word. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a toxic man.
That's his cousin.
Mm-hmm. You sure that's his cousin? Or that's what he told you?
That's his cousin.
Okay. Okay.
There's
So
nothing
you good?
else.
You don't want to check his phone no more?
Oh, I trust him.
All right, y'all trying to give each other a hug for being so loyal?
Oh.
All right, so today, who we here with?
Brian.
Brian.
Cadence.
Here. So we about to make them switch phones to see how loyal they is for real. You down for this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Y'all not nervous at all?
No.
I ain't gonna lie, check my boy foot out though. My boy fly as hell right
He got
now.
it on.
Thank
He got
her,
it.
bro. She put it on, bro.
Oh, word?
Yeah, she got
Real
it
one.
on.
Real one.
Yeah, nah, I think they
Where you
like
found
it.
her at?
I've known her since like my freshman year of high school.
Oh, word?
Yeah, and then we just started dating recently.
Then where the f we living at? Alright, well, that's his phone?
Now this is my phone.
Oh.
Yeah, she smashed that.
Oh.
Who's gonna check it first?
Mighty fine.
Matter? Okay.
3 minutes.
Look, the first thing I want to do, right?
Okay.
Well, what you gonna do, right? You gonna go right here, search up your name.
I'm right here. I'm hidden.
No. Search up your name in the
You
bar.
be talking about you to other people. You nervous, bro?
Okay.
Keep it a buck, bro.
I ain't nervous.
Check that phone, girl. This
I
your.
go through it all the time. Yes.
She be checking your phone while you sleep, boy.
Shit, it is.
Hmm.
You know what I mean? I ain't got nothing to hide, bro.
I respect that.
It's all me. It's all me. My name is all me.
Check the DMs.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Whoa, go back. Recent deletes.
Recently deleted.
Oh, hi. Thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Me and
Who that?
I don't know. There's only one message.
No, girl.
Okay,
Check that message.
his cousin.
Or is that what he tells you?
No, it is. He FaceTimes him all the
Keep it
time.
a buck, boy.
So I FaceTime him all the time.
So why
It's
you erase his number?
Xavier.
That's his other number. You can go look. He has a new number.
He's solid. He good. He will get that little pass. She thought she was safe. Watch out, please. Watch out. Let's get in that. Yeah. Do the same thing, boy. Check the recent delete. Watch out, please. Watch out. Check
Either
everything.
way.
Like check everything. You heard? Check the pictures. See if she's sending pictures to other niggas. All that.
He said,
You was real to her, boy. Oh, who that?
Damn.
oh, it's just for her business. For her business. She good.
She over here in the back. I know her heart racing though.
She nervous right now. Read that. This your chance, boy. Don't be afraid, boy. We can check phones. We real men. We might cry about it, though.
It's not being,
You got
it's
it,
not
bro.
being toxic. You're just being informative right now.
Yeah, bro. You trying to let your heart know.
Nah, she's safe though.
She safe?
Oh,
safe
message
on
is
that.
Sure, or you just trying to skip.
Nah, she's safe.
You're not really trying to find nothing, right? Because you love her.
Nah, if I found something, I already know.
Go to the DMs then. Wait, check her recent deletes too. Check her recent deletes.
The fuck I do that?
Recent deletes. Edit. Oh, she don't got that. Okay.
She's safe on that. That's me. That's her friend. Okay. That's her friend Tori Baez.
Oh, you let her have friends?
Yeah, what?
That couldn't be me, bro.
Yeah.
Nah, y'all crazy.
My
for
girl
that,
staying
bro.
home.
Nah.
Oh, you better
Who
lock-
Dylan? Oh, you shaking?
Me?
Oh, you know something?
I'm always shaking.
Oh, nah, you know something, bro.
Dylan, that's her best friend's brother that fixes her car.
Yo, bro, just because you love her, don't mean you have to hurt your heart like that, bro.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to stop.
Nah, she's straight. She's
Nah,
straight.
she valid. She valid. Nah, yeah. I ain't got a lot though, gang. You fit really hard though, you heard? Nah, y'all can give each other a hug and shit, you feel me? Cause that's real love right there though.
Crazy out there, you know what I'm saying? But we just trying to make sure y'all don't actually do something to actually really get kicked
Oh,
off.
nah.
You know what I'm saying? So,
I come here often, so I
yeah,
wouldn't.
we got pictures of y'all, everything. But y'all didn't do nothing, so we not. Yeah, we not with y'all because y'all didn't do nothing wrong.
Oh, okay, well, I appreciate
but
that.
we just trying to make sure y'all don't.
Y'all perfect.
Pictures up right now?
Nah, in case you think I'm capping, hold on.
Take a picture of me.
Right here.
Yo, you mind if I throw that to
Yeah,
the
we
camera?
be on it over
Yo,
here.
hold on. Yo, they got us on radar? What? That's crazy.
Oh, my boy going in his car, right? Yo.
It's always guys. Always. Pause, that's zesty as hell. I'm about to buy this cash next week. That ass, bro. Oh, damn. Yo. Oh. How we turn the volume up in that though? Where the volume on it though? Yo.
Daddy!
Hi.
I wanna drive.
Yeah, give me a second. I'm gonna drive it in a second. Hold on. I'm gonna be like, yeah, look, I am a menace. I play with your balls like it's. What do you mean by that? Yeah, I know I'm on the same Yo, God crazy. I'm about to buy this cash next week. Want me to honk it? Nah, I'm gonna scare them.
Honk it.
You can honk it. Wanna honk it?
Yeah.
Alright, she's gonna honk it.
Let's see if she honk it.
Yo, hold on. Yo, she vibing though.
You gonna honk it? Honk it.
Video on.
Yeah. Oh. Yo, she owning it. She owning it, bro.
Honk it, honk it.
Solid. Oh, the honk don't work, bro. Nah, that's crazy. There's a fire in this. We gotta get out. We gotta get out. Nah, there's a fire. Look, I don't know if y'all can see the light. Yo, we gotta get out of here like ASAP, bro. The games have now begun. Please enter your pod. Head as we playing Squid Game in real life.